What is the significance of exalted planets in astrology? It's a good question. Exalted planets has absolutely nothing to do with your success. This idea of exalted planets creates an illusion among many. Do you know that the most popular personalities across all walks of life don't have much or any exalted planets? Do you know that the wealthy people have no exalted planets in their charts? Do you know that there are millions of people living in slum areas and yet they have exalted planets in their charts? And this is the greatest tragedy of astrology in today's time. It has become a toy, and toy cannot help you find your answers. You have to come to the real master, the real thing, but who wants to listen to truth? Society considers honesty as a virtue, but nobody wants to listen to the truth. I have personally read charts of certain people in slum areas. They do have exalted planets. I have personally read charts of certain celebrities. They don't have exalted planets. Neither the wealthy people, neither the politicians. So you see, just having exalted planets don't change your situation. Exalted planets simply specify the exalted qualities of a person. A man may be living in the slum area, but if he has exalted planets, he is a man of value. You see, the word is value. The exalt position makes you a good person. Such a person exalts in certain skill, certain art. So when you say that you have exalted planet in the third house, you definitely have a certain skill that you would excel as you grow. Step by step, you will achieve excellence in a specific skill. And ninth house exalt point provides you with the necessary quality of achieving higher education. Such a man or woman is deeply devoted to a certain deity, is generally very faithful, also signifies a good caring father or a parent or a father figure. Overall, to have an exalted planet is not enough. Other placements, aspects, and the D9 chart matters a lot. If the exalted planet debilitates in D9, then much of the quality is lost. My suggestion to all of you, especially those who have been reading my answers on Quora, is not to focus more on exalt planets, or not to worry much if you don't have any planets in exaltation. Life is a celebration of moments. Astrology can only be of use if you look at it from a casual way, natural way. Astrology prediction is not the final say. God has been kind enough to provide human beings with the will to change their future for better. And to do that, you simply have to surrender to the Almighty. When you let God drive your life, you are always sure that you are going to be taken care of. Faith is having the courage to let God have complete control. Let there be more faith in your life. Walk with faith and not with fear. Meditate.